Give me 5 minutes and I'll show you how you can use video ads to create a marketing flywheel that generates consistent, high-quality clients on autopilot. You see, most businesses are relying on outdated strategies to generate leads and calls, which causes lead costs to go up, call quality to go down, and ultimately creates inconsistent results I call the marketing roller coaster. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get off the roller coaster and instead create a video marketing flywheel that generates consistent, high-quality leads and clients for your business. I'm Alrik Heck, founder and CEO of Ad Outreach, and we've helped over 3,000 coaches, consultants, service providers, and high-ticket businesses use what I call the video marketing flywheel to bring in a dependable flow of new clients. We've even used this strategy to scale my own business to 8 figures, landing number 60 on the Inc. 5000 list of the fastest growing companies in America. It all starts with a video ad, but not just any ad. An ad that provides real value to your ideal clients and demonstrates your expertise. We've found video produces the best results for businesses running appointment and lead funnels. You can reach people and have them see and hear you. That builds the know, like, and trust factor and leads to more consistent enrollments. We've written thousands of video ad scripts and we have it down to a science. If you spent any amount of time on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram, you've almost certainly seen our ads that our copywriters have written numerous times without even realizing it, because we've been behind the scenes helping many of the biggest names advertise online. We'll help you craft a value ad that demonstrates your expertise and is irresistible to your ideal clients. Then we'll help you target that ad in front of high-quality leads using our Alpha AI ads targeting strategy. Most people just use pre-built audiences to target their leads, but we found that the best way to target ideal clients is to use AI and build custom audiences. That's why I created my own software that does all of the targeting for you, making it as easy as just a few clicks. We then run these as YouTube ads, Facebook ads, and Instagram ads to target your ideal clients. On YouTube, you can reach people who are actively searching for what it is you do. And on Facebook, Instagram, and even LinkedIn, you can target people based on who they are and leverage the advanced platform algorithms to reach the right people. Success with advertising is all about reaching the right people at the right time with the right message. And after they click on your ad, the next step is your marketing funnel. Running regular funnels is a big reason many people get low quality leads. We'll install a dynamic funnel into your business. This is a funnel that has a simple video conversion training, just like the one you're watching right now, which leads to the next step, which is filling out a quick type form. This form qualifies leads in real time and sorts them like a traffic light into green, yellow, and red, disqualifying unqualified leads, filtering leads that need further vetting, and passing along those green, high-quality leads directly to your or your sales team's calendars. But not only that, we also pixel these leads as high quality and port that data back to the ad platforms so that they automatically optimize for higher quality leads, creating a feedback loop that increases the quality of your leads more and more over time, which means the longer you run this funnel, the better and better it gets. The next step is enrolling those new clients into your offers. And this should help you generate a consistent and dependable flow of new high-quality clients because they've already seen videos and they know, like, and trust you, making them so much easier to enroll. This also creates a video marketing flywheel because as you run video ads on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram, you get new leads who book calls, many become clients, funding more ads that will bring you new leads and new clients, reinvesting a portion back into ads, reaching new clients, spending more money on ads, generating more and more, repeating the cycle, growing bigger and bigger and bigger over time. And if you want, we'll even show you how to create value-driven organic content that you can put on a YouTube channel, your Facebook feed, Instagram, or any other social media platform to warm up the other leads until they're ready to convert, amplifying your results. My offer to you is to install this process directly into your business. We'll work with you to map out a custom video marketing strategy game plan, and we'll ensure that you have the best video ad scripts that are designed to convert. We'll help you set up our dynamic funnel to qualify leads, and we'll use our AI ad targeting software to pinpoint your perfect ideal clients, allowing you to successfully run these video ads on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or even LinkedIn, depending on the best platform to reach your audience. All of this creates a video marketing flywheel that generates new ideal clients like clockwork. If all of that sounds interesting to you, fill out the simple form below this video to see if you qualify for a call with one of our top advisors. On that call, we'll understand your business, where you're at right now with your marketing, and map out a custom game plan to install our video marketing flywheel directly into your business. You've got nothing to lose, but everything to gain by getting on this complimentary call. So go ahead, fill out your details below, and apply for your call. And if you're wondering if this process works, well, it just did. We'll see you on the call.